How are you, child?
I am fine, father. How are you? Where are you going now?
I am going to market. You go home and take rest.
Where is my mother?
Your mom has gone to your uncle's house. She will come very soon.
Or make her a phone call.
I have called her 10 minutes ago. Go home and take rest.
I need to talk with mother. I will back to Dhaka in the afternoon. Okay, don't worry. Go to market. Come back soon.
Wait a minute, what about your study? Your principal has called me.
What do you mean? What did he say?
At first, you say about your result.
Sorry, Dad. I have cut a bad figure this time. It is just 2.67. Really, Dad? I am feeling shy.
Okay, don't worry. It will be good next time.
Okay, pray for me. Come soon.
Okay, go home. I will. Your mother will be come in time.
I love you, father.
Okay, no mention.